Now, in this class, I'm going to tell you about this account, how we are going for production account. In the previous class, I told you about the cost sheets and the quotations. Now, I'm going for production account as well as the quotation. I'm reading the problem, and this problem also I solved, and I'm going to explain this because the board is not sufficient for me to do all these things. It will take some time. Okay, it will take some time. That's why I'm just worked out, and I'm just telling you about this. The following figures relate to the costing of manufacturing of electric fans for a period of 3 months ending 31st December 1972. Okay, completed stock on 1st October 1972, it is nil. Completed stock on 31st December 1972, 20,250 rupees. Stock of raw materials on 1st October 1972 is 5,000 rupees. Stock of raw materials on 31st December 1972 is 3,500 rupees. Factory wages 75,000 rupees. Indirect charges 12,500. Materials purchased 32,500. Sales 1,12,500. The number of fans manufactured during the 3 months was 3,000. Prepare a statement showing the cost per fan and the price to be quoted for 750 fans to realize the same percentage of profit as was realized during the 3 months referred to above, assuming the same conditions. That's all the problem is. Now, here, first of all, we have to take into account the production account or production statement. Okay, now we are going for the production statement of electric fans for 3 months ending 31st December 1972. Stock of raw materials on 1st October, it is nil. 1st October, sorry, nil. Stock of raw materials on 1st October, sorry, it is 3,000 rupees. It is not 3,000, it is exactly, yeah, the number of fans manufactured during the 3 months was 3,000. Okay. Yeah. Stock of raw materials, I'm sorry. The stock of raw materials on 1st October, it is 5,000 rupees. Please correct this. Stock of raw materials on 1st October, 5,000 rupees. Add purchases because we have to find out what is the raw materials consumed. Okay. Yeah. It is not, this thing is opening completed stock on 1st October 1972 nil. Stock of raw materials on 1st October 1972 is 5,000. Sorry. It's okay. The problem is correct. Okay. I just misspelled and misguided. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Please excuse me and please note down. Stock of raw materials on 1st October is 5,000 rupees. Add purchases of raw materials. It is 32,500. If you add that, you'll get 37,500 less stock of raw materials on 31st December, it is 3,500. If you deduct that, you'll come across 34,000, and that is nothing but materials consumed. Now, to this, you have to add the factory wages. Okay, factory wages is 75,000. Here, one thing you have to keep in mind is he had given you the number of fans manufactured. Okay, so you have to calculate cost per unit also. How to calculate the cost per unit at every stage? Okay, here materials consumed is 34,000. So 34,000 divided by 3,000, it comes to 11.33 cost per fan. Okay, cost per fan is, okay, materials consumed 11 rupees 33 paise. Now factory overheads. Okay, factory overheads are 75,000. So 75,000 divided by 3,000, it comes to 25 rupees. If you add, you'll get 36 rupees 33 paise. That is prime cost per fan, and the total cost comes to 1 lakh 9,000. Okay, this is about the prime cost, and to this you have to add the factory expenses. Okay, that is indirect wages. Indirect wages are 12,500 rupees. So if you want to go for this unit cost, it comes to 4.17. 4.17. That is 12,500 divided by 3,000. It comes to 4.17. So you have to add that. So you will come across, okay, 40,050 50 paise. 40 rupees, sorry, 40 rupees 50 paise, and the total comes to 1,21,500. This is nothing but cost of production. Okay, now here you have to add the you have to add the opening stock. Here opening stock is nil, so there is no necessity for you to take opening stock. The thing is, you are having the closing stock of finished goods, completed stock. So you have to deduct this closing stock. Less closing stock, completed stock is 20,250. 20,250 rupees. If you deduct that, you'll come across 1 lakh 1,250 rupees. This is nothing but the cost of goods sold. And this cost of goods sold, it is for 25,000 tons. It is for 25,000 tons. 1 lakh 1,250. Okay. Profit 10% on sales. 10% on sales. Okay. 10% on sales. It is 11,250. It comes to 11,250. Okay. And this is 4.5. That is 4 rupees 50 paise per fan. So the total comes to the sales comes to 45 rupees and 1 lakh 12,500 is the amount. This is how you have to prepare the production statement. Now, basing upon this, you have to go for the quotation. Okay, quotation means cost of production of 750 fans. Okay, 750 into 40 rupees 50 paise. That is, you are taken directly the cost of production. Okay, 750 into 40.50. That is 40 rupees 50 paise. The amount comes to 30,575, and profit, tell me 10% on selling price. Okay, sales is equal to sales is equal to 45 rupees. Sales is equal to 45 rupees. So 750 into 45, it comes to 33,750, and the difference between the cost as well as the sales is nothing but 3,375. That is nothing but 10% on, okay, sales. 10% on sales. This is how you have to go for this, okay, production account or production statement along with quotations. Now we are going for another problem. Yeah. The next problem, please. The data pertaining to XYZ factory using a job costing system are as follows at the end of 31st March 2005. Direct materials 9 lakhs, direct wages 7 lakhs 50,000, selling and distribution overheads 5 lakhs 25,000, administrative overheads 4 lakhs 20,000, factory overheads 4 lakhs 50,000, and profit 6 lakhs 9,000. He had given you the complete information. Prepare a cost sheet showing all the details. For 2005, okay, to 2006, the factory, however, has received an order for a number of jobs. It is estimated that the direct materials would be 12 lakhs rupees and direct labor cost 7 lakhs 50,000. What would be the price of jobs if the factory intends to intends to earn the same rate of profit on sales, assuming that the selling and distribution overheads has gone up by 15%. The factory recovers factory overheads as a percentage of direct wages and administrative and selling and distribution overheads as a percentage of works cost, okay, based on the cost rates prevalent in the previous year. This is the problem that we come across, and we have to take into account, first of all, the statement of cost or cost sheet. Okay, now statement of cost. Okay, direct materials, he had given you 9 lakhs, direct wages 7 lakhs 50,000 he had given you, and we are not having any direct expenses, so you have to add 9 lakhs plus 7 lakhs 50,000, it comes to 16 lakhs 50,000. This is nothing but the prime cost that we come across. Next, to this you have to add the factory overheads. Factory overheads are given 60% of wages. Okay, 60% of wages. How you got this? Okay, factory overheads 60 is me. Factory overheads are 4 lakhs 50,000 divided by 12 lakh. I mean divided by direct wages. Direct wages are 7 lakhs 50,000. So 4 lakhs 50,000 divided by 7 lakhs 50,000 into 100, it comes to 60%. 60% of wages, it is 4 lakhs 50,000. If you add that, you'll get 21 lakhs. That is nothing but factory cost or works cost. And after that, to this you have to add administrative overheads, 20% of works cost. Administrative overheads are, okay, 4 lakhs 20,000. 4 lakhs 20,000 divided by works cost is 21,000. Okay, into 100 it comes to 20% of works cost. You had already calculated. Okay, administrative overheads 20% of works cost. It comes to 4 lakhs. Okay, 4 lakhs 20,000, and selling and distribution overheads. You are given you selling and distribution overheads 5 lakhs 25,000. If you add all these things, you'll get total cost. It is 30 lakhs 45,000. And he had given you that. He had given you the profit amount. It is profit amount is 6 lakhs 9,000. You have to add the profit amount, thereby you are getting the sales amount. The sales amount is 36 lakhs 54,000. Okay, because he had given you profit 6 lakhs 9,000. Okay, now we are going for the estimates of fans, estimate price of an order. He had given you the direct materials. The direct materials are the direct materials are 12 lakhs. The direct materials are 12 lakhs. Okay, and direct labor 7 lakhs 50,000. Total comes to 19 lakhs 50,000. That is nothing but the prime cost. And to this you have to add the factory overheads. Factory overheads are nothing but the 60 or nothing but 60% of direct wages. 60%, you have to calculate 60% on 7 lakhs 50,000, it comes to 4 lakhs 50,000. If you add that, you will get, okay, 24 lakhs. That is nothing but works cost. Then for that, you have to add administrative overheads, that is 20% on works cost. 20% on works cost comes to 4 lakhs 80,000. Okay, if you add, you are going to get 28 lakhs 80,000. That is nothing but cost of production. And to this cost of production, you have to add the selling and distribution overheads. Okay, selling and distribution overheads. Selling and distribution overheads are 25 plus 15. Okay, he had given you a condition. Same I mean, assuming that the selling and distribution overheads has gone up by 15%. So you have to add 25 plus 15. That is 40% of works cost. Okay, 25% is nothing but the factory overheads. Okay, for that you have to add 15%. So 40% of works cost. So 40% of works cost comes to 9,60,000. So if you add this, you'll get 38 lakhs 40,000. 38 lakhs 40,000. That is nothing but the total cost. And if you take into account, okay, profit, it is nothing but 20% on cost. So if you calculate, okay, profit on the cost is 7,68,000. Profit on the profit on cost, that is 20%. Okay, profit 20% on cost, it comes to 7,68,000. And if you add that, you'll come across the sales, that is nothing but 46 lakhs 8,000. This is the price of the order. So this is how you will come across the problem that we come across. Okay, with this I'm closing, and we are going for the next new topic.